In AWeber, the unsubscribe trigger allows you to set up actions or automations that occur when someone subscribes to your email list. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the unsubscribe trigger with campaigns in AWeber. Log into your AWeber account. Once logged in, navigate to the Automations tab. This is where you can set up triggers and actions based on subscriber activity. Go to the Campaigns tab and click on Create a Campaign to set up a new campaign. Follow the prompts to create your campaign. Once your campaign is created, navigate back to the Automations tab. Find the option to create a new automation or workflow and select unsubscribe as the trigger. This means that the automation will be triggered whenever someone subscribes to your email list. After selecting the unsubscribe trigger, you'll be prompted to choose the campaign you want to associate with this trigger. Select the campaign you created. Now, you can set up the actions you want to occur when someone subscribes to your list. This might include sending a welcome email, adding the subscriber to a specific segment or group, tagging them for future reference, etc. Once you've set up your actions, it's a good idea to test your automation to make sure everything is working as expected. You can use AWeber's testing features to simulate a subscriber subscribing to your list and triggering the automation. Once you're satisfied with the setup, activate the automation so it's live and ready to respond to new subscribers. After activating your automation, monitor its performance to ensure that it's working correctly. You may need to make adjustments based on subscriber behavior or changes to your marketing strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively use the unsubscribe trigger with campaigns in AWeber. You can use the link in the description to try AWeber for free.